Hey y'all, welcome back to Jeep Classic Car Channel, the channel that provides video resources for your everyday driver, your classic car and your Jeep. Go ahead, hit that subscribe and like button down below. Alright, so today we're taking ring here. It's just a beater ring and it's not in awful shape. This kind of needs to be cleaned up, so we're going to take a little bit of tin foil and some water, get all this oxidation and dirt off, and show you all how to do it. So join me in the adventure. Alright, so I just kind of run the water over it a little bit, kind of get it nice and wet, and take my tin foil, get it wet, and then I just kind of crumple it up, and then I just rub. And as you can see, it's getting nice and clean. And so we're going to do that all the way around this ring. Just basically polishing it up, getting all that dirt, oxidation, all that good stuff out of there. I've heard that you can use salt water as well for this. I have found that this regular water here does pretty well as well. And you don't even have to keep the water running. You can just turn it off, rub for a bit, and then rinse. Just whatever you're comfortable with. So, as you can see, it's just coming out real nicely. And I'm not putting a lot of effort in it as far as elbow grease. Still a little bit, yeah, but not a whole lot. And it's just coming nice and clean. Alright, so what's going on here is that the tin foil is actually the sacrificial layer here. And it's the one that's going to wear out as we do this, but that's fine. We can get a whole roll of that. So it's a softer metal, so you are not scratching up the stainless steel as you're doing this, which is nice, or the chrome. So either way works. It just takes a little while. Like I said, it does take a little elbow grease, but not a whole lot of effort. You don't have to really bear down or anything. You just kind of let the tin foil do the work. And so you might want to see, like this little piece right there came off. You probably don't want to send that down the drain. So anytime I see a little chunk, I just pick it up and throw it in the trash. Alright, so here's the final product. Not perfect. I could, spend a lot more time on it. I only spent, I don't know, 20-30 minutes on it, in and amongst working on other projects. So I would come and go on this. As you can see, it's a lot better than it was. This is just a retainer ring. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just kind of wanted to clean it up a bit, and I think it turned out pretty good. So there you go. Anyway, I hope that helps. I appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit that like button down below. And y'all take care. It's time for supper.